National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Craighead County in eastern Arkansas.
He might have got it on his radios.
Arkansas, eastern Clay County in eastern Arkansas, Penobscot County in southeastern Missouri, Dunklin County in southeastern Missouri, western Dyer County in West Tennessee, southwestern Irvine County in West Tennessee, north central Lauderdale County in West Tennessee, Lake County in West Tennessee, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:01
That's weird. They updated that.
Severe thunderstorms were
long line.
A line extending from near McDougal to near Upper
Updates this, updates marine warnings.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Oh yeah, now they don't, I don't have a marine warning. Marine weather statement! Marine weather statement! Geneva on the Lake Taconic!
Sighting entries.
That's me!
This isn't looking good.
That's not looking good, yeah. They are gonna issue a marine warning. And that's gonna go on my radios because we get Geneva on the Lake Taconic and we get that forecast. And I can get it on WWG 53 or no, KCC 35 in Meadville.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Clay, Craighead, Greene, and Mississippi, and the following counties in Tennessee, Dyer, Lake, Lauderdale, and Irvine, and the following counties in Missouri, Dunklin, and Penobscot.
Ooh, flood advisory from Roanoke.
Ooh, Roanoke. Oh, City of Roanoke.
This is a double header on WDFA. This time it's for Crooked Cross, Mississippi, Poinsett. Oh boy.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Craighead
County in eastern Arkansas.
County
in eastern Arkansas. County in eastern Arkansas. Cross County in eastern Arkansas.
Central Daylight Time.
What's this?
3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from
Tallahassee.
Hello, Tallahassee.
Newport, moving southeast.
I seen Tallahassee issue a severe thunderstorm warning earlier.
Miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail.
So we don't have to say that.
Weather Prediction Center issues flash flooding likely.
Where is that?
This is for Kentucky, Northeast Arkansas, Western Tennessee, Southern Illinois.
Oh, that's not good.
Cherry Valley, Gaius, Hickory Ridge, Waldenburg, Vanville, Greenfield, Eastala, Fisher, Victoria, Pinway, Eastview, and Lenny. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yeah.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Craighead, Cross, Mississippi, and Poinsett.
Yeah, crazy.